Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Hamster Kombat unable to login. In today's video, let me show you how to fix the login issue in Hamster Kombat. First, make sure your network is stable. If you're using mobile data, check that it's active, or if you're on Wi-Fi, ensure a strong connection. Next, check that your Telegram app is updated. Open the Play Store, search for Telegram, and if you see an update button, tap it, and wait for the installation to finish. After updating, open Telegram, search for Hamster Combat, and try logging in again. If it still doesn't work, clearing the cache in Telegram can help. Go to the menu icon, tap Settings, scroll to Data and Storage, select Storage Usage, and then press Clear Cache. Another tip is to restart your device after these steps, as this can refresh your connection and the app's processes. After doing this, reopen Hamster Combat and you should be able to log in smoothly. Try the steps and one of them will resolve the problem. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.